Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do unboxing of XP pen tablet which I have received today. So first of all I am going to cut it and see what are the things inside we have, and after that in my second video I will give you the detailed review of this. When you open it, we have the receipt and we have this XP pen tablet. So let us see. It's XP pen Deco 01 V2 digital graphics drawing pen, which is 10 inch into 6.25 inch and 8192 level of pressure sensitivity. The stylus of this pen tablet is battery free. You don't have any battery in the stylus. So let us open it. Yes, the packing is very nice, and first of all you have to remove the polythene, and now we are going to remove this by sliding like this. So we have to open it. So this is how you can open it here, and then we can take it out. Yes, it's a very big size pen tablet, and this is the pen which is given here, and we'll see. This is, I think, pen stand. We have various cables here. These are the cables and some of the converters we have here. Let me open it and see what are the things inside we have. So yeah, we have something here. We'll see, maybe it is for holding the pen. Then we have this cable which can convert normal USB to mini USB type C cable, and then these are all adapters for different types of ports. We can use this, and then we have nibs. So for pen we have various nibs. You can see these are the nibs for putting it in the pen, right? So you are going to get these items along with this and the pen tablet. So let me open the pen tablet and show you what is the size of this. This is actually quite a big size. Yeah, so you are going to have this size. It's almost in the size of a laptop. This is my 14-inch laptop. You can see the size will be approximately, although they are saying it's 10 inch, because the writing area will be 10.1 and 6 inch here. So this is your writing area which is marked, and the detailed review of this I am going to post another video for that. The cost of this is around 7,000 in Amazon. Thank you.